Hey everyone, this is Bama Nola Adventures coming back at you with another adventure. Today I broke my tension bolt that holds the pulley that holds the tension on my belts that makes my lawnmower go back and forth. And this is what it looks like. I broke the end of it over here, so I had to go get a part to refix it. And I'm gonna show you how to put it back together. Be right back. All right, this hole right here is a hole that this bolt goes in, and you put it in, put your spring on it. Hold on. Put it in backwards. It won't work if you put it in backwards. Everybody see that? Right here. You put your spring right here. And you add it back in the hole. Put your bolt on it. You have two of them, and you tighten it down. I hope y'all can see that. You want it tight, but you don't want it too tight. You can always tighten it up if you need some more. That's pretty, had a lot of tension on it, but I'm gonna tighten it up a couple more rounds. And then I'm gonna put my other nut on my bolt here. And the reason why you put that one on there to lock it in, where it won't vibrate off. All right, that's all it is to it. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you on the channel.